Hello friends, hope you all are doing good and living a healthy life. In today's video, we'll discuss how to download VLC Media Player on your computer or laptop. It's a very easy process. For this, go any of the browser you like, open the browser and simply search for VLC Media Player download. You can see in suggestions, you can go with the suggestion or you can type as you like. Just go with the suggestion, uh, and here you can see, sorry for that, vlcmediaplayer.in. It's the official website. Just go with the official one. Click on download vlc media player link. Always download the latest version. Here you can see download button, free and safe download, always available, tested virus free. If you want any of the old version, all versions are available. The latest version is 3.0.17.4. Platform Windows, language English. You can have all languages. To download, simply click on free download for PC. It, it's a just cross. Sorry, it's not an official one website, but you can download from here or from the official website. It started downloading. It's 40.1 MB browser. Let me check the details. Yeah, it's the official one. You can download from here or simply you can also download from here. We'll see the benefits. There is no article, I think so. It's it's sports large bandwidth and hence overcome bandwidth and sorry, imitation of RF communications. VLC communication works when both sources and receiver are at LOS. It's a very useful software, video player, the best video player you can have. It's VLC media player for computer. Most of the people's, even I also use only VLC media player. The file is downloading. We will wait until it's completed. After file downloaded, we'll install VLC player on our computer. Just waiting to be completed. Sorry, it's taking some time. We have to wait until it's complete. 2.74 MB is downloaded out of 40 MB. Hopefully it will be downloaded in 2 minutes. It's downloading. You can see it's a logo of VLC Media Player. That's the logo. There are a lot of features in VLC Media Player. You can change resolution and you can even amplify the sound in VLC Media Player. It's very useful video player. You can have the quality of display is excellent. It's very good. You can have demo video and other details. Hopefully it's downloaded. You can see that. After that, just click on the open button, of file you just downloaded. Click on open. It will ask for permission. Allow the permission to install. It will ask for the language. Select the language you like. I'll go with the English. Just click on OK. Welcome to VLC Media Player setup. Click on next to continue to set up. Go with the next button and the next and the next. The files is downloading in the computer C drive. We have to wait until this green line to be complete. Yeah, it's completed. Click on finish. By this process you can download and install VLC. You can see here the player is opened. You can go with the videos you have or just click any of the video in your computer and it will ask for the player and there select for VLC Media Player. Your video will be started with the VLC. Hope you friends like this video. For more interesting and informative videos, please subscribe this channel, like this video and leave a good comment. Have a great day friends. Take care.